here are some tools and resources that I use. One is for majors and minors, and make sure to have a description, a write up, a teaser, say something about the major labs, say something about the ideas that they learn about, get them interested in it so that they can get an idea of what they're choosing in advance. And I would have this map that would show that were color coded, like these are really intense or hard topics, or some of these are math-based topics, just so they get an idea of what they're getting into. And then I would have a spreadsheet, a sign-up sheet, and students would sign up for whatever minor or major. And some students sign up for two. Like if they were working really ahead of pace, they would have an opportunity to do more than one minor or more than one major. They would be able to see who else is signed up for the same major or minor. So that allowed them to be strategic about their choices. For my pacing calendars, I would create a pacing calendar, color-coded pacing calendar for each of the minors and each of the majors, so that since that tool, the pacing calendar, was really useful to my students, I wanted to make sure that when they were in their minor or major, they still had the same resources that they found helpful with asynchronous learning. And then for their individualized spreadsheets, I would update it with pull in for their major or minor. And then the final consideration were the final exams. And so, because students learn different concepts in their majors, there were a different final exam that was aligned to the different majors. And so 75% of the exam pulled from the mandatory content, but the last 25% of the exam pulled from the minors and majors that students selected.